Hello everyone, Paul Dunleavy-Bledor, the editor of CDN Computer Dealer News in New Orleans, Louisiana for the Cisco Partners Summit. With me here today is the newly crowned channel chief for Cisco Worldwide, Edison Peres. Edison, thanks a lot for joining us.
You're very welcome. Excited to be here. An exciting week.
Absolutely. And you know, it's all about the cloud. Definitely, I call it the cloud juggernaut, and about momentum in the marketplace around cloud. And Cisco made a very, very impactful announcement with the Cloud Partner Program. You want to tell us a little bit about that, and how does it fit into your overarching partner profitability philosophy that you created 10 years ago?
It's been an exciting week for a number of reasons. One of the key messages I did deliver on the keynote presentation is that we will have a new Cloud Partner Program. But I was clear to indicate that if cloud is all the partner sees in the horizon, then they don't see all the opportunities that exist.
Okay.
Cloud is going to be one of the many opportunities that we believe our partners have over the next number of years. From borderless networks to collaboration to data center virtualization, we can go on. But the bottom line is cloud is here. It is going to afford, I think, a lot of opportunities for our partners. So our Cloud Partner Program is geared towards enabling partners around different roles that we believe they can play. They could be cloud builders, cloud providers, or cloud services resellers. The program, very consistent with Cisco, will be able to allow partners to choose what works best for them.
Right, so basically the partner has to know their role in the marketplace with this particular program.
I was clear today on the main stage that we think that there are probably three main strategies that partners should deploy.
Okay.
Choosing their role in cloud is one of the first ones.
Absolutely. So let's talk about margins. What's the sky-high potential for inside this program?
Well, to talk about margins, you have to talk about what business model and what value you're actually bringing to the market. Our goal is to be able to allow partners to participate in the program in one of those three different roles. Each of those three different roles, being a cloud builder or provider or reseller, has different economic models,
Sure.
has different business value. And therefore the margins will be different depending, and the investment is required to be able to participate. So it's hard to answer the question of is it one thing, because we're talking about three different models with three different margin capabilities and possibilities.
But I mean, you would admit that the cloud opportunity out there is a huge opportunity.
Cloud itself, if you look at cloud, you're going to see the infrastructure being built out, because you have to build the cloud. So we believe that 75% of all of the dollars being spent on cloud is going to actually be done on the infrastructure for the next number of years. So that's great because it plays right into the hands of our value-added resellers, our solution providers that build out. And then you're going to start seeing a lot of services that are going to start going on top of that.
So in the SMB, I think you've been really clear that you're not getting your fair share of the overall spend in this very critical market that everyone's trying to get at. But some of the partners have told me that if the overall partner program was a little bit more streamlined, a little bit more easier to get involved with, then there maybe be more smaller partners that can maybe help you get that fair share. How are you going to address that?
Well, number one, we're thrilled by the progress that we're starting to make in small business. 3 years ago, we made it a point that was going to be a priority, that we were going to be redesigning our marketing programs, our partner programs, and more importantly, redesigning specific products that are designed specifically for small business. In the last year, we've been growing at a rate of about 25% a year. So yes, we don't have our fair share, but we're actually starting to make some good progress. So I think that programs like the PDF program, which is a VIP back-end rebate-like program for small business, making it easier for them to participate, new specialization programs like this, and new certification programs like the Select Partner. Bottom line is, I think that we're starting to identify a lot of what's required. We're starting to make it available to the marketplace, and I think we're starting to see partners actually grow because of it.
So it was very clear to me that Cisco is trying to steer the channel partners into professional services big time. Talk about that, and what do you think are the top three priorities in that space for partners that they should really be focusing on?
Professional services is where partners differentiate themselves. It's where they drive a lot of profitability. We do annual profitability surveys every year, and in the last year, even with a very shaky market in different marketplaces, we actually saw profits of partners go up. Why? Because the proportion of their professional services is going up. The world is getting more complex, even in small business, and partners or customers are willing to pay for professional services. We see professional services growing at double the rate of the normal IT marketplace or CPE resale. So it's a great place to make money, great place to differentiate. We want to help empower the partners to be able to grow professional services.
So Edison, we have a large Canadian partner audience out here. Why don't you do a shout out for them? What do you want to tell them?
Number one, we are in a new horizon. There's a new inflection point. No question that cloud is here. But the amount of opportunities that we have together is, I have to tell you, there's never been a time where we've had more opportunities together than now. So I'm excited. Tell us what you need. We're here for you.
Well, there you have it, folks. Edison Peres, the newly crowned channel chief, worldwide channel chief of Cisco Systems. Thanks a lot. Really appreciate it.
Thank you, Bob.
All the best. And that's it for me, Paul Dunley-Bletter, the editor of CDA Computer Dealer News. Thanks for watching.